Hello, EDU 382. Welcome to a new class, a new semester, and just a new way of living. So I just wanted to do a quick overview of some things here on Blackboard. Hopefully, I'm going to open up Blackboard Friday before classes, so hopefully you'll get to get in here and poke around. I do have an announcement, and I'll make sure that that gets sent to you the week of classes as well. The syllabus is here. It's also on this Bitmoji under click here for syllabus. I do want to tell you that I did make this a live link so that I can change things. If in fact things change along the way, it's easier than just keep posting things back and forth. So you will always have the link and it is live and I will go into it and make adaptations right to the syllabus right there. Course content each week. I will put the material that you are responsible for because some of you will meet live on Tuesday and the others of you will meet live on Thursday. I will put up all the materials the week before because there are certain things you're going to need to do for the face-to-face and certain things you're going to need to do for the online. So I'll make sure that by Thursday, the week before, I will make sure all the materials are there. So you'll find out what you need to read, what you need to do. It'll be under course content and in the folder. All of your assignments are here under assignment descriptions. You will notice that many of these assignments are also Google assignments, and that is, or Google links, and that is because they probably are new assignments to me or to this class, or assignments that I'm making changes, or not changes, but thinking about, or maybe I've made changes from the last time I taught this class. And I wanted to give myself some wiggle room I might think a little differently about those assignments later on in the semester. So just so you know, some of these are assignments I've used before. They're fairly standard and I feel confident in them. In that case, they're probably just a Word doc. But there are some assignments here that I'm constantly making some revisions to or anticipate I will. So they are also Google links. You will submit all your assignments through the Submit Assignments. It's the easiest way for me to keep track. And then we're not emailing back and forth. So if you've taken the class with me before, this is how I've always done it. Hopefully this is not new to you if you haven't taken the class with me before. And if so, I can kind of help you out with that. So take some time before class to get to know Blackboard a little bit and just kind of poke around and see some things. Our first class will be online. We are not meeting face-to-face that first class together. And so for equity, all of us will be online. I will put a Zoom link. There's a Zoom link here, but I will also send you all a calendar invite so it's in your inbox as well. Before the class, there is a little task. I want you to use this Google link. And I started a opening activity, add a photo of an important place to the slideshow. I actually made a slide for every one of you, although I don't have your names on it. You can add that. And I want you to put a place that's important and put your name at the top so I know who contributed there. So I started that. If you are not sure how to do it, basically you just kind of type your name and then you go to insert photo to get it right in there from your desktop. So I just wanted to share that with you. Please reach out to me if that confuses you. There are 2 groups in this class, and I'm really excited. These 2 groups have kind of broken up based on what age groups you are interested in. So we have about 5 of you who are K-8 certification or pursuing that, and 5 of you who are pursuing secondary. So I'm going to do a lot of differentiation in this class. You will get different assignments, maybe different readings and different videos to watch. So I'm really excited that one positive thing about the way of doing one face-to-face and one online class is it's helping me differentiate for you all. Here are your groups right here. And know that I will see the elementary people in person on Tuesdays, and elementary people you'll be online during our time period. So during 2 to 3:20, you will be synchronously Zooming with your group I will give you a task. That'll be on Thursday, and it'll be the reverse for the secondary middle. You will be synchronously Zooming with your group. And again, I will explain to you exactly what to do on Tuesday, and then you'll get to hang out with me on Thursday. So I'm excited to get started. Thinking about this all summer. I'm sure you have too, and I'm really happy that we're finally there. So see y'all next week.